Hello, this is Pepe Oriola, brutal fish driver on the Civic Type R, and I will take you a little tour around my car, my office in the weekends. So I hope you like it, and I will try to show you every detail that is not seen from the outside. So come with me and have a look. Here you have the steering wheel buttons, which is like the computer control of the car, which you have the radio, of course, to talk to the pit wall and the engineer, the drinking system to drink water if you are thirsty or whatever, which I don't use because our races are not that long, so I prefer to don't drink. Then you have the lights that are on for the qualifying lap to prevent the drivers in front that you are in a fast lap, so they don't block you on the way. And here you have the flash, which if you just touch once, it keeps flashing 2 or 3 times to the guy in front. Then you have the neutral, which is the button that we use for the launch control start. And this button we keep it up to 70, 80 kilometers per hour, which help you a bit to moderate the wheel spin of the car in the launch. Of course, the speed limiter to control the maximum speed on the speed limit, which is 60. Then the right or left indicators. Then the wipers for the rain. And then the reset when we have alarm on the screen, which could be temperature or some issue in the engine. You just can reset, so the ECU does the reset, and maybe if it's a little error, it deletes the alarm so the car can keep going. Here the page, which I'm going to show you the screen now. We have different pages that gives us information. This is the race one, which you have, of course, RPMs. You have the lights to shift, which goes from green, orange, red, and when you have the red one flashing, it's when you have to switch gears. And then here you have the time, and here is the gain loss delta, which is live during the lap. The system keeps the fastest lap of the session, and every time you cross the line, it gives you information lifetime, which if you are going faster or slower than the fastest lap, which is recorded on the system. Then you have another page here, which gives you temperature, water, oil temperature, throttle, battery, clutch, like all kind of information of the engine. And then, of course, you have the front brakes, rear brakes pressure. You see, if I push, you can see the different percentage of braking in front and rear. And then here you have more, this is more for the mechanics or for the engineer to set up the car. Here you have the steering angle, so when they do the alignment, they have to make sure that it's straight, so then when the alignment is done, the steering wheel is at the same alignment all the time. And that's it in the screen. Then here, if you want to come, we have the panel to switch on the engine main, which starts the whole electronic of the car, and then injection, which it starts the sensor of the engine. So before to start, we have to do like this. So then all the system, the gearbox and everything, and the cooler starts to work, and then you just start the car from here. Then another interesting thing is the handbrake, which we don't use during the race. We just use it for the start. We use it to preload the turbo in the starts. So in the starts with the neutral and the same time and full power, we keep the car safe. So we release a bit the clutch, so the turbo gets a bit charged. So we get better exits. Then here we have this valve, which is limiting the amount of pressure you can put when you brake in high pressure. And here the typical roulette that you can put more in the brakes in the rear or in the front in low pressure. Then I think basically this match what is inside of the car, and I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see more or have questions or want to see more in detail something, just let us know. and make sure you follow me on my channels to do more of this. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.